Lamb is our meat of choice in Lebanon. And this lamb dish, uzi, is reserved for special occasions. I've cooked down my butter. I'm just getting rid of the milk solids. See this stuff? We don't want any of that. I'm using a shoulder cut lamb just because it has so much flavor in it. And if you cook it slowly and for a long time, it'll be nice and tender. And I'm gonna rub this clarified butter all over my lamb. But first, I wanna give it a little bit more flavor. That meat is just gonna soak up all of that butter, that cinnamon, and that garlic. And it's really, really important to massage both sides and to flavor the entire lamb. I'm just gonna pop this in the oven, but you can let this marinate for a couple days if you want it to. And this is what ghee looks like at room temperature. It's nice and creamy. I'm just gonna cook this down, and even though it already has this nutty taste, I'm going nut crazy. Some almonds, our favorite in Lebanon, pine nuts, and pistachios. I'm just gonna let these roast in my creamy butter. They should get to a nice golden color. My nuts are nice and golden brown, and they smell absolutely delicious. So sweet, ugh. And I'm not done with that butter. I've soaked my basmati rice so that it's nice and fluffy. That rice is gonna suck up all of that nutty and buttery flavor. Our classic 7-spice or sebab parat, some nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And when it starts to crackle, it's time for some water. And this just needs to cook away. My rice is cooked. Time to check on my lamb. Oh, that is beautiful. Nice and juicy. Smells delicious. That garlic. And now watch and see how this just falls apart. It's so tender. And hot. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I need to plate this quickly. Look how fluffy my rice is. All that butter in the rice and the butter in the lamb, which gave it that nice coloring. That's why it's a celebration, my friends. And my favorite part, the toasted nuts. Ugh, this looks delicious. I love the toasted nuts and that lamb just melting in my mouth. It's got a nice texture to it, nice and soft. I'm gonna be a while. We love nuts in our meals, but we especially like them in our desserts.